Hello everyone, I am Sai Charan, CS undergraduate student. Now I am going to share my knowledge on collection framework. So what actually the collection framework is? Before going to the topic, I want to actually share my screen. Let us look over here. So initially, if you want to store a value inside a variable, a single variable can able to store a single value. But if we actually wanted to store multiple values in a single variable, the concept of array came into the existence. But in array, there are some disadvantages that though it has the ability to store multiple number of values in a single variable of same data type, but in an array, it has fixed size, right? Fixed size, right? And it can able to hold only homogeneous type of data types. So that are the some of the disadvantages maintained with the array. So in order to address those kind of disadvantages, the role of collection framework came into the existence. So collection framework actually it is a process or the criteria where the nature of the uh, things present in it are growable in nature. That means they do not have a particular size or fixed size. They had the ability to grow their size, and they can able to have both homogeneous and heterogeneous type of objects. And they do have very ready-made type of methods to access the elements present inside the array list or any others very easy way. So in this criteria, the collection framework would help us in a quite different way compared to this array or strings data types. So coming to collection framework, what actually the collection is? It is a combination of collection framework is a combination of classes and interfaces, right? So collection is actually the interface. It has three types in it. So totally for better understanding, collection framework is divided into two parts. First is collection, another is map interface. In collection interface, there are three types: list interface, set interface, and queue interface. And coming to map, there are few interfaces such as there is hash map, weak hash map, identity hash map, sorted map, and hash table, right? So coming to collection interface, in list interface, the list interface is executed by the classes named as array list, linked list, vector, and stack. These vector and stacks are also called as legacy classes because as they were came into the existence in old version, they are known as legacy classes. Coming to set interfaces, these are the extended or sub interface of the set interface is sorted set, and this sorted set interface has the sub interface named as navigable set interface. So this is implemented by the class named as tree set, right? And coming to queue, there are two types: priority queue and building queue, blocking queue. And in map interface, we will be using the hash map, which is implemented by the linked hash map. And in the same way, it has sorted map interface, navigable map interface as a sub interface of it, and tree map will be executing these interfaces as a class. So this all about the introduction of collection framework, right? And I'm going to explain there are some of the collection framework parts such as array list, a linked list, or set or hash maps, etc. By using this, we can able to operate with the data very easy manner. So coming to here, we do have many methods with the array list. Coming to here, we do have a method named we need to create an object for a array list, and we need to add object created object dot add any element. Then that element will be added to the array list. And if you want to add a collection of elements to the array list, then that object dot add all of given collection, that will definitely add whole collection to it. In this manner, we will be using the dot add method, dot add all method, dot remove method in order to remove an object, dot clear method in order to clear the data inside the array list, and dot is empty, whether the given list is empty or not, dot size method in order to analyze the size of the given list. In this manner, we can able to operate with a given. And coming over here, I actually wanted to share over this. Just a minute. Uh, See, these are collection example for collection framework is first we need to create an object using array list. we need to add the elements. And if you want to print the element using for loop, that will be printed in order. And if you want to remove an element by using index, we can able to remove. For set example, we need to create an object using the hash set, and we need to add the elements like I'm putting the